Today we're going to be changing the oil on this King Canada 9,000 watt generator. It's not a big job to do, but it's something that is often overlooked by owners of generators. I'm going to show you how to do it today, and you should do this yearly. So for the job, we need a pan to catch the oil. The oil drain plug is right here at the base of the engine. And we're going to need a 12 millimeter socket and a ratchet to undo this drain plug. We loosened it, so we're going to pull it all the way out and let it drain. That is some pretty black oil. So while that is draining, I'm going to talk to you about this AMSOIL 100% synthetic 5W30 oil that I'll be using on the generator today. Look, I have a lot of equipment here around my place. I have lawn cutting equipment, trimmers, I have chainsaws, I have a wood splitter. I have a lot of equipment. And if I don't take care of my equipment, then my equipment isn't going to take care of me. That's why I only use the best oil. And to me, that is AMSOIL. It's like our bodies. We can eat fast food, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, all that sort of thing all the time, and our body isn't going to treat us good. So we should be eating good, healthy foods that gives us protein and energy and keeps our insides looking and working good. Same with our equipment here around the house, our cars, our trucks, everything. You want to put top quality oil in your engines. You can also undo this dipstick to let the air through so that your oil drains better. Now looking at this dipstick, it goes into that hole there, the threads. This is your high point. This is where you want your oil up around here. Mine was right down to here, a little bit above that line here where it actually shows now. So I was getting low on oil. So basically when we're putting oil down in here, we're going to put it almost right up to where the threads end, right here at the end of the hole here. That's where you're going to, that's when you're going to reach this part where it says high. All right, we basically are just dripping here slow now. So I'm going to put the drain plug back in. And we'll tighten it up. Just hand tight, don't go crazy. Just snug it up good. That's it. Pull our drain pan out of there. You have to get something low that fits under here. So this is actually a takeout meal container that I saved. It's aluminum and thought this would be good for this sort of job. Okay, now we're going to start adding fresh oil to our generator. Going to use the long funnel that reaches here. We're going to start adding our AMSOIL 100% synthetic 5W30. Cap off. And we're going to start adding. I'm just going to go slow to make sure we don't have any leaks that we don't want. It should take almost the whole liter. Okay, the bottle's almost empty. I'm going to check it, see how it is. Going to shine a light down the hole, see where we're at. Oh, we're right there now. So I actually stopped putting the oil in just at the right spot. So there we are. We have just, I don't even know what measurement that is, 0.1 of a liter, I'd say 2 ounces left of oil out of this whole container. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to put the dipstick back in. I'm not even going to measure it because I can see the oil levels right where it needs to be. Just hand tighten that. So it's that easy. You know, if I wasn't shooting a video, that would have took about 5 minutes to change the oil in this generator. If you want to put the best synthetic oil in your lawn equipment, your generators, whatever equipment you have around your home, I'll leave a link down below where you can get the 5W30 100% synthetic AMSOIL oil. And I'll also leave a link to the preferred customer program. That's a great program. You can save up to 25% on all your AMSOIL product purchases. You get free shipping on a certain order. Like if you're ordering from the US, it's a $100 order, you get free shipping. If you're ordering from Canada, it's $130 and you get free shipping. You get $5 bonus on every $100 you spend on product, and you get $5 bonus on your birthday. And there is also other perks along with the preferred customer program. You can't beat that program. If you want to check out a video for the preferred customer program, I got more information on it. I'll put it right here to the left. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.